Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. At ngayon, dahil tag-init na dito sa Pilipinas, I'll be sharing with you a recipe na magpapalamig sa ating tag-init. At ito ay ang ice candy mango flavor. And to start with, we'll be needing all-purpose cream, evap milk, sugar, cornstarch, and of course, our ripe mangoes. Let's divide our mangoes into two parts, one to be pureed and the other one will be mixed in our ice candy. Now let's start to puree our mangoes by placing it in a blender. I have a bigger blender pero dahil tamad ako, I made use of my baby bullet blender. Before turning on the blender, let's put some evaporated milk. No exact measurement, just eyeball the consistency of pureed mango. Once it's done, let's place it in a bowl and set it aside. And now, in a casserole with water, let's add the cornstarch. Let's make use of a whisk to mix the cornstarch and water. Let's make sure to mix it well before we place it on the fire. Once it's done, we can now place it on fire. Let's mix it once in a while to prevent lumps. Once our mixture thickens a bit, we can now add the sugar. Add sugar depending on how sweet you would like your ice candy to be. And of course, let's mix it again to prevent lumps. Now that we have reached the right consistency, we can now add the all-purpose cream. And again, don't forget to mix it well. And now let's wait for it to simmer. And afterwards, we can now remove it from the fire. And once we remove it from the fire, we can now add our pureed mangoes. Then we can now add the mango bits or the small pieces of mangoes. Again, let's mix it one more time and wait for our mixture to cool down. In about an hour and a half, we are now ready to make our ice candy. And of course guys, we'll be needing ice candy plastic and a funnel to make life easier. And tada! Our ice candies are ready to be placed in the freezer. This is a very easy summer refreshment that you can share with your family. The hardest part here is to make buhol-buhol. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!